Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I'm going to show you how to solve disabled automatic updates but still updating. To fix this problem, click on the Start menu, type Service. After appearing the service, click on it. After opening the service window, scroll down and find a service which name is Windows Update. Double click on it. Under the Startup menu, select Disable. Click on Apply. Now click on Stop. After stopping the service, click on Log On tab. Click on this account. Now type here /guest. In the password field, type the current user password. In the confirm password field, retype same password. If you don't have user password, just make it blank like me. Click on Apply and OK. Again click on OK. Job done. Now close this window. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.